Hello guys, SquishCuber back again. So I changed my layout for one reason. I heard about this robot that can solve a Rubik's Cube, but it's made out of Lego. So obviously this video is me trying to build that. It's going to be a time lapse. And if you guys want to make it yourselves, there's a link in the description. And I'm using the Lego Spike Prime set. It's like $400, unless if you already have it. So, let's just start building. So, this is the final build. It's got a completely rotational thing here. Another one that rotates here, even though it isn't rotating. And whatever that is. So, let's get it started. It doesn't have enough room, so I'll give it some, and let's start it again. So, it fully solved this Rubik's Cube. So, this is incredible. It beat all my expectations, and it's also just really cool to see. There's some stuff that it could definitely be fixed, but considering that it's made out of Lego, it probably can't get better than this. So, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to SquishCuber. But yeah, thanks to David Gilday for creating this design, the instructions, and the code. So thanks a lot. If you ever want to do it, it's mindcuber.com. The link is just in the description. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.